automated machinery into warehouses to make the process a little bit easier, I'm guessing, Karina?
Yeah, we've got software that with any type of robot and it's available to warehouses of any manufacturer.
Giving the training is exactly what you're able to do.
1930s, Ray Summer was one of the drivers stuck in that era. One race that he as well, back in the 1940s as well. Now this is really going back to one of the early 1940s as well. Now this is really going back to one of the early periods. We're watching Nicholas Yes, 1940. In fact, it was racing the year that the First World War began, and that ended its racing behind. It's brought here by the National Motor Museum, and Ian Stanfield is driving it right now. And so this was one of the cars.
That was a really old one,
We're racing beaches or salt flats, then suddenly aerodynamics became very important if hugely under-researched. So Doughill actually chugging a little slowly around Malcolm.
What was the bigger thing than going racing is that they were both as important to each other. Winning races was an important thing. Absolutely crucial. And Malcolm Campbell went on to take his car to become a Bluebird. Initial attempts didn't work, but it did take records at Penrite Town.